Hey, what's up guys, Josh or Fusion here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a secret Black Ops 6 package that I received in the mail. Now this wouldn't be an Xbox Game Pass giveaway without me giving you guys some Xbox Game Pass. So if you guys want to play Black Ops 6, I got you. On this card is a month of Xbox Game Pass for PC, and I'm going to have this code hidden somewhere in this video, so make sure you guys watch all the way into the end of the video if you guys want to get a month of PC Game Pass. Now let me show you guys what I'm talking about. About 2 weeks ago, I tweeted out that I won this Black Ops 6 giveaway. I didn't know where I entered into it. I figured it out now. But as you guys can see, I got this email. It says, congrats, you've won a prize. And it says, want Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Day 1. We got you. Win unique Call of Duty Black Ops 6 collabs. And in the picture, we have some custom branded Black Ops 6 headphones, as well as what it looks like the Movement Adler sunglasses in the top right. And it says, congrats, you've won a prize. You can expect it in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. And guys, here it is. Look at how huge this box is. It's bigger than me. On one side, it says, we got you. And then on the other side, it says PC Game Pass. This box is so heavy and huge, guys. We're going to be unboxing this in just a second and seeing what's inside of it. Introducing the Black Ops 6 code shop. Do you want to snag a rare bundle? Guys, right now we have 4 bundles to offer. Link will be in the description as well as the comments. And for a limited time, you guys can use promo code 7OFF to get 7% off any of the bundles that are posted on the store. This is the safest way to buy the rarest bundles in Black Ops 6. Guys, I'm so excited to check this out. I have no idea what I got from Xbox. I did figure out where I entered into this giveaway, but it says sorry, we're all out, so you cannot enter into the giveaway anymore. I'm sorry. Guys, it's time to actually see what's inside of this Black Ops 6 box. What Black Ops 6 promo items did I get in this box, guys? And here it is, guys. It's time to unbox this limited edition Black Ops 6 collab that I won. I have a knife here. Let's get into it. Let's start cutting open this box. I can't wait to see what I got. And in my digging that I was doing for this giveaway, the company that did this is Mutiny. It's Xbox Mutiny, and it's some sort of company that's collabed with Xbox, all for sorts of Black Ops 6 controller skins, for the Xbox Series X, stuff like that. All right, let's see what's inside, guys. We do have a note in here as well as a bunch of green confetti. Oh, this is so sick. What? Okay, this is sick. Yo, I did get the headset, and they're not Astros, it's Corsair. Corsair HS80 RGB wireless. I got a wireless headset. Okay, this is crazy. I also got some sort of care package in here. It says PC Game Pass. This is heavy as heck. I know that Charlie Intel posted something on Twitter, and he got some sort of Black Ops 6 care package, but it was not this one. And guys, on this little note here, it says, Call of Duty Black Ops 6, we got you, PC Game Pass. And on the back of this, there's a code for PC Game Pass. And if you guys want to get this code for PC Game Pass, I'm going to have it hidden somewhere in this video. You guys are going to have to watch until the end, and you guys are going to be able to get this code for PC Game Pass, so keep watching. But anyways, let's hop into this box, guys. Obviously, we have the headset, Corsair headset. I actually needed a new headset, so this is crazy. This is clutch. I don't think there's anything else except for these 2 main things that are in here. All right, let's check out what's in this little briefcase container thing. There's dust all over it. Obviously, this stuff's been in the works for a long time. We undo the clips on both sides here. And let's open up this case here, guys. What is it? Yo! There's no way, guys. These are the Navigator Adler sunglasses by Movement, guys. And these are actually worth like $168. I just checked it on the website. And I'm pretty sure this comes with something that I can unlock. Some sort of calling card or something. Movement official timekeeper. There's some sort of little pouch right here. I'm guessing that I'm going to have a code in here. Let's check it out. I can't tell what's in there. All right, let's just dump it out. What? It's like coins or something. I have no idea. I have absolutely no idea. Okay, I got this paper open, and okay. What is this? It's a bottle opener? Movement, Black Ops 6. Okay, sick. I guess I'm putting this on my keychain, guys. I expected some sort of code for a calling card or something. I'm pretty sure that the movement sunglasses come with that. Let's actually check out the sunglasses now. Movement Black Ops 6. Movement Official Timekeeper. Certificate of Authenticity. Okay. This is serious. This is a little glasses cleaning cloth. And then here's the glasses, guys. These are sick. These are Adler's sunglasses. If you guys know Adler from Black Ops, these are the exact sunglasses he wears. You can see there's a little Cerberus logo on the ends of the glasses. Thank you, Xbox. I mean, I never have won a giveaway like this. I've literally never won a giveaway before, so this is crazy. Let's unbox these headphones now, guys. I'm excited to check them out. I need a pair of headphones. This comes in clutch. I'm not going to read off all the specs. If you guys want to look them up, that's the name of them. Alright, and this is it. This is the Black Ops 6 Corsair headphones. Yo, these are so sick. Black Ops 6 Cerberus. Is that a HyperX logo? I don't even know. This is them, guys. Cerberus logo over here, orange on this ear cup. Ear cups swivel out like this. I like that. Over here on the back of the left ear cup, we have a volume rocker. We can lower or increase the volume of the headphones, as well as the power button to turn them on. I'm gonna actually turn them on. Let's see, do they light up or anything? Yo! And this Black Ops 6 Cerberus logo lights up over here. These are the headphones you guys are gonna see me wearing from now on. Let's switch back over to the desktop. Guys, and here it is, the Black Ops 6 Adler sunglasses, as well as the Black Ops 6 Corsair headset. How do I look, guys? I feel like I look insane right now. I'm using the headset microphone right now, by the way, guys. How does it sound? Is it terrible? Just in case it's terrible, I just switched back to the normal mic. But guys, in today's video, I showed you guys what I won from this Black Ops 6 Xbox Game Pass giveaway. Like I said, I never win giveaways, so don't envy me for this. Don't be jealous. And I'm gonna be having a lot of Black Ops 6 giveaways coming in the future, guys, so stay tuned on the channel. Whoever gets this code, enjoy PC Game Pass. You guys will be able to play Black Ops 6. I don't need it because I already own the game, but I'm sure one of you guys needs PC Game Pass so you can play the game. In the comments, let me know who got that month of PC Game Pass. I want to know, guys. And yeah, guys, Adler sunglasses, headset. If you guys liked the video, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and drop a comment down below with your thoughts on all this. And anyways, guys, this has been Joshua Fusion here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.